Hi, this is Candice Lopez, and I will be presenting on Jonah 4:3. I will begin by reading it in Hebrew. Va'ata Adonai kana et nafshi memeni ki tov moti mehayayi. So we can begin here. We see a vav plus the adverb ata, and we can translate that as either and now or therefore. We move on to Adonai, and in the notes we saw that that was a vocative for when we can translate that as O Lord. And at the very top we see a zakef, so that there is a comma or a pause between these two, these phrases with the rest of the sentence. Then we move on to ka, which is actually the imperative masculine singular of laka, which acts like a first noun. So we see the that the lamed has disappeared, and that we can translate as take away, which is attached to the particle na. And in co, we see that it can be translated either as I pray, please, or we can just leave it as an exclamation. We can then move on to the MDDO of et attached to nafshi, and nafshi is with the first person suffix attached to it, so we can translate that as my life. At the bottom here we see the conjunctive accents that we can put those two together, so take away my life. We're not left with what are we taking away. We see that we're talking about my life, whose life? Jonah's. So we move on to Mamani, and this is like a reduplicated min on top of a min, which we can then translate to take from me. We have that suffix pronoun ni at the end, so we know what from we are taking. We can then move on to the particle ki, which is translated for tov, good or better. Better will actually be better for a translation, because we go down here and we see moti, which in BDB I found that it was the masculine noun for death. And then we move on here, and we're going to use this min in the comparative form. So we know that it goes on to the thing that it is comparing more or less of, I should say. And hayai is the noun for life. And so we can then say for death is better than life. We see at the end here that we have a soft pesach, and that is a full stop, so it has ended. And then here this sedema, I'm not quite sure how you say it, but that was also in the notes. So in English altogether, I would translate it, and now, O Lord, I pray, take away my life from me, for death is better than life. And I used the noun forms of death and life because that is what I found, but I also saw in a lot of English translations that it says that it is better for me to live, to die than to live. But because of BDB, I decided to use the noun forms of these words. So thank you, and have a good day.